Hello, uncle. How are you today?
How are today, bagus? Very good holiday to Bali. Aiming a voice from beach to the love is mine. Headed for the drive. Thank you, woman, man.
Thank you, uncle. Take care.
You're welcome.
All right, guys. How you doing? Siema, dzień dobry wszystkim. I'm the man from TheMonkeys. Such a lovely day here in Bali today. So I'm in Legian, Padma today, just at the front of the Bali Mandira hotel. Some loud bike behind me, loud motorbike. Somebody asked me to show you this area of Bali, especially the beach situation, how's the bars outside the Azul Beach Club. Azul Beach Club is just behind me, and the bars on Padma Street, and just in general situation around. So here we go, guys. I'm gonna show you everything. So this is the situation of Bali Mandira Hotel over there. Seems it's not so busy during the weekday. Bali Mandira, as you see, and this is the Azul Beach Club. Also seems pretty quiet at the moment. However, there's some tourists around. Seems like backpackers or something like that. And let's have a look on the beach. How does it look like? Just at the front of the Azul Beach Club over here. There is some lifeguards over here, and there are also some people, local people walking around. The weather, okay, is not the best today. It's a little bit cloudy. However, all of the bars just outside the Azul Beach Club are still remains closed. Maybe not all, but most of them. All right. There is like 1 or 2 bars over there is open, and behind me 1 bar is open. And there are some local people actually took the umbrella and chilling around. So yeah, many bars are unfortunately still closed, guys, over there. Just literally 1 minute later, I'm at the same spot, and this 2 tourists with the big backpacks, they are gone. So they maybe just took the taxi and go somewhere. Anyway, yeah, Azul over on this side of the street, and the beach bars on this side. Unfortunately, like I said, still many are closed, guys. This is the entrance to the Padma beach, and here one warung here at the front is open, guys. So if you're interested, and over there also seems like 1 umbrellas. So as I mentioned, 1 warung over here is open. They're having a bean tank. And also behind me is the 1 umbrella, actually at the front of me right now. There are some people chilling around. Later I'm gonna go to Erika also to visit her. I have a little gift for her, so I hope so she will like it. Yo! And I'm gonna show you on the street now how does it look like. Alright, this is the entrance to the Padma Hotel in Legian. Yeah, open. Open, and this is Fat Ball over here, also open. Nobody is here. And Makan also open. Unfortunately, nobody is here. This is the corner of Padma Street and Padma Uchara. Poser Pub is closed. I'm gonna go there, see how's the Y bar, if it's open or not. And there is 1 customer in the bar, I can see right now. 1 guy is sitting there. This is the waiter. Here's the 1 customer, and the deep inside is somebody. So yeah, there are 2 people, and they have a DJ right now. So yeah, I'm in a situation like this on the street. So in the Y bar I can see 3, maybe 4 people enjoying their time. So definitely somebody can, this is the new people. However, the street surrounds looks like this, and I believe as everywhere still Padma Utara looks like this. I make about 2 months ago the video in this area, got like 650,000 views. That's quite a lot, and was totally deserted. Sad as it's made look exactly the same. Hello, massage.
Massage here.
You see?
Coming.
Massage, aviable.
Hey.
Over there. Massage ladies waiting for you guys. Anyway, if you would like to see Padma Utara one more time, I can have a spin around maybe at the end of the week, and I'm gonna show you how does it look like now in April 2020. Massage. Bali busy already, yeah?
Yes, it's more better than before, because this last 2 weeks ago,
Yeah.
Shakely very quiet.
Oh, very
And
quiet.
now a little bit, some the new people come.
Some already come.
Yes,
That's
darling.
good for you, darling.
Of course, I'm more happy now.
More happy
And
you
now-
come for massage.
Oh, thank you so much. I cannot come, but I wish you good luck, darling. All right.
What's your name?
Damian.
Damian, nice to
Yeah,
meet
nice
you.
to meet you. What's your name?
Jenna.
Jenna. And yours?
Lulu.
Lulu. And yours?
Mama Anna.
Mama. And oh, I got the leaflet from her.
Got
This
my
one.
pamphlet.
Yeah,
Damian.
yeah. Okay, thank you so much. But I wish you good luck, alright? Thank you. See you next time, okay? Some people here for tattoos next the corner of the garlic grain. So that's very looks optimistic. Yo, boss. Thank you, boss. I'm alright. How are you? Welcome to Bali, man. And yeah, the corner of Garlic Lane over there. Hello. All right, so some massage ladies looks very optimistic, very happy. Even they have not many customers, they said already somebody come. And I also spot some customers in the tattoo shops, very happy people, very optimistic. Owner of the tattoo shop very happy. The customer, which is probably newcomer, very happy. So definitely there is like positive vibe in the air in Legian. However, at the same time, most of the businesses unfortunately still remains closed, guys. So have to wait for a while. I believe in next upcoming months, but it's getting better and better. At least people seems very happy. And there is the one bar is open right here at the front. I don't know what's the name, but it's just at the front of the, what is this name? The Loca Hotel in Legian. Also, it's the Loca in Ubud, by the way, if somebody are interested. The Momos, unfortunately, steakhouse still is closed, guys. So, well, still have to wait. Meanwhile, I'm gonna show you about 360 degree. How does it look on this street? Here is some homestay also, but many businesses around are still closed. But they're gonna come back soon, that's for sure, guys. Hello, auntie, how are you? Bali's back, no? So? Yeah. Bali's back. Very busy soon, I hope so, yeah. Alright, always remember, visit this auntie over here. She's selling tea. That's the nice bar, actually, like a chocolate bar. Tea, krupuk, stuff like this. Always remember this lady. Aqua also. So, yeah, always remember, okay? Take care, auntie. Just next to the machinery at the front of the parking area of Padma. That's little help what I can give to her. I hope so you're gonna say hi and tell as you coming from me. So she will be very happy. She's gonna give you very candid big smile. I'm going to Erika right now. I have a little gift for her, I hope so she's gonna be happy and she's not gonna be shy. Erika, auntie, how are you today?
Good, and you?
I have a little gift for you. This is for you.
Thank you. I try and
You try. I hope so. The size.
Yeah, wait. I'm so happy now.
Happy?
Because when people still coming.
All right.
Little.
You try. Coba nala. Coba. Too big? Oh no. I think it's nice.
Yes. Mr. Monkey, get me something for this pizza.
Thank you, auntie.
Spot for me. Nice. Okay.
Okay. Can I have a Coca-Cola, please? Yeah.
Normal cola.
Normal cola. Thank you. All right, guys. Cheers. I have my cola now. I'm so happy. It was a little bit hot, but I'm gonna have a rest. Meanwhile, this is the situation in Erika bar. There are some customers here around, and on the other side there are different bars also. Yeah, a little bit, but not so busy yet. And I'm gonna show you a little bit how does it look. The sky is pretty nice. Check this out. Alright guys, sky is a little bit gray and seems like it's gonna be rainy like, but the clouds looks actually pretty beautiful around. And well, that's how it looks around. I do request for you guys. I hope so you enjoy, and for everyone who are new on the channel, I hope so it helps you in case you would like to stay and consider near holidays in this area of Bali. Anyway, that's it from me from today. Thank you so much for watching, and as always I will see you tomorrow and next, and see ya. Take care, guys.